Hi guys, good morning. So we are here on this fine sunny day. It's very bright, it's hot and sunny. And yeah, so Aryan has to do a school task which is run 20 meters. And that's what we are doing over here at the moment. It is a task. Being a parent, you got to do all sorts of things. Now I'm kind of being a PE teacher, recording and doing things virtually in terms of running. What more qualifications do I need, y'all, to live life? So many skills being a parent. Well, I'm just standing here recording. Aryan's doing all the hard work. I told him and taught him how to do it, which means like, how to measure it and things. So yeah, that's what we're doing here. Guys, we're gonna use this yellow thing, that block, as the final point. And yeah, Aryan's just measuring. Like we need 20 meters, so 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So this is 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters. So like that he's measuring and doing. It's going to take a long while to reach 20 meters in this hot burning sun out here today, but this is what we got to do. We got to do what we got to do. Just walking through the grass. I would like to stay grounded. Tree, help me stay grounded in your presence. Help me be rooted on this universe, feeling safe, secure and protected, so I can flourish like your branches aiming high up to the skies. Standing with this tree on this bright sunny day, feeling so grounded and peaceful. I can feel the essence of its spirit. It's talking to me. It's telling me to be calm and to stay rooted and grounded while it soars high above, wild and free, because the earth is holding it down. You guys can see Aryan's over there while I'm just looking forward to some inner peace and experiencing inner peace under the shade of this loving tree, under the shade of this tree. Na, 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 na. You give me a place to rest. You protect and provide the shelter I need from this bright scorching sun on this sunny day today. I'm loving it. So 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and
20.
20.
Yes.
Okay guys, so Aryan's gonna run 20 meters. Apparently for a school video the parent has to say ready, set, go. That's what I'm gonna do, guys. Things I gotta do as a parent. Ready, set. Take that close-up shot because they say when we say ready, set, he has to put his hands like that and knees high. And then now when we say go, he's got to run. So the things I got to do, man. Oh. Yes. Apparently he has to do 40 meters as well. So that's the next task, y'all. So guys, while Aryan is drawing the 40 meters, let's just take another walk through nature. Nature, you are so beautiful to me. Yeah, you are so beautiful, singing to me with your branches. I said, ow guys, thorn on my foot, yo. Look at that. Holy moly smoly. Ow. Ow, guys. Nature, why do you hurt me? Why do you prick me? Is it to make me strong to face this world? Is that why you do this to me? Oh, nature, this is the evil eyes. Evil eyes, go away, evil eyes. Oh, nature, I love you. I know how hurtful it is when humans destroy you. Because today a little thorn pricked me, but so many things are going on with nature and humans hurting nature. Why do we do it? Why do we humans cause so much pain to nature? Language should be of love that spreads like the breeze. The language should be of love. Guys, I'm very bad at singing, but I don't know. I'm enjoying it here today, so I'm just singing to myself. Well, you guys get to hear it, but please don't judge me saying, oh, your voice is like that, your voice is like this. I'm not even a professional singer, but we all can sing. We're all given a voice. It might not sound the way you want it to sound, but at least I can sing. And my heart feels like singing. Oh, look at this little one. So guys, how are you enjoying this nature walk with me? Look at these branches. I just feel like sitting on it. I love this tree. I love this tree. How's it going, young man?
Still finding your chalk.
So he's lost his chalk somewhere. Now he's got another one. He's at 30 meters at the moment, so 10 more to go. So let's take a walk over here and I'll show you guys some flowers. Look at these beautiful flowers. So let's count this, guys, just to make sure it's all done properly. So we got 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. I think he might have one extra meter. Anyway, it's alright. Ready, set, say go. I have to walk all the way there and then say go. Basically, I'm walking 40 meters for my daily brisk walking exercise. Oh, my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. Goodness me. Oh. Yay. I'll take one more with just a long distance because the other one I zoomed it out. So let's say one more for the 40 meters. Go. I just realized we forgot to time it. I was meant to use my son's phone as a timer.
Found it.
And I didn't time it. I didn't time it. So we got to do it again. This time I think, guys, I'll just take the timer video. The timer video of how long he takes to get here. How do I even do this, guys? Okay, guys. Can you see? So I think I have to put everything at 0 hours, 0 minutes, 0 seconds. And then... Why? Why is it doing this? Why is it doing this? I think instead of a timer we need stopwatch because we want it to count up, not count down. So I'm just checking this one. I need to change my nail polish. It's so red strapped at the moment. It's not... Anyway, don't look at that, guys. Okay, so see, we need an online stopwatch. We want it to count up, not down. So we need a stopwatch. Okay, I think we got it. Okay, you can go there now. Go! Wait, it didn't start. Go back. Oh my god, guys, this is so hard. Go back. Now how do I do this? Oh, this is so hard, guys. I think I need to press start and then I will say go. That should do it. Go! So 40 meters in 14 seconds.
What?
Try a bit more faster. Go to the 20 meters. Let's see if we can get a faster time. 20 meters. Run as fast as you can. Go!
Boom.
That's 8 seconds. Go!
Boom.
Same time, about 13 seconds.
Oh.
Here you go, young man. Let's go home.
Yeah.
Make some banana bread first. The young man is tired, sweating. He had his exercise for the day. We're going, guys, to make some banana bread. How was your experience?
Good. Hot.
So we just wanted to make sure we took as much footage as we could because we don't want to go home and be like, oh, we didn't get the footage of that. You know what I mean? So I took the 20 meters with the time only once. I'll just quickly check my phone to make sure we have it all recorded and then only we'll be leaving from here. But yeah. So you guys want to see the video that's going to be sent to his school? Here you go. So first the 20 meters. Ready, set, go!
Boom.
That's 8 seconds. And now the 40 meters. Ready, set, go!
Boom.
So guys, hope you enjoyed this video and take care. Enjoy your weekend. Love you. Bye bye.